Here we celebrate this just to remind people that nature and wildlife which lives within our forests and our rivers and seas and oceans, they are very precious. And on the auspicious occasion of 2nd October, we start this program, and for an entire week, different functions are organized in which we try to bring school students and all other college students, and through some activities like yesterday we had painting competition at various places in the Goa state. Today this rally has been launched, and then it will be followed by a cultural program in which some play and dance and a talk on wildlife, especially on the marine life, because Goa is very rich in marine life, will be given. And we will have quiz program. Again, college students will be participating, and essay competitions in Marathi, Konkani and English languages. Again, topic will be on nature. So this is the way the kids, the youngsters, they study, they know a little bit about our wildlife and environment, and they get aware. And then the message will be passed by them to their classmates, their parents and their friends and all. There are awareness camps are also there. We are taking some camps, we are organizing some camps in our national parks and sanctuaries like Kotegaon, Molem and Mahadei, where students will be taken and they will take them around to the forest and show them how we work, how we protect, and how the staff is working, what type of management things are done to protect and what we should do. Wildlife is part of the Earth ecosystems are very critical. We get water, we get clean air. So all these things are very, very important. Every animal species is important. So from that point of view, a lot of economic sense also is there, because some species provide us medicines and things like that. So we have to protect it. That's the whole purpose. Because of development, a lot of activities, we lose a lot of forest and all. So somewhere we are trying to protect our whatever nature we can protect and develop it. So that